This is going to be a Friday like no other. We've got a lot of stuff to go over today, and we haven't even gotten the energy going in here yet, but we're going to take a pause. We got to get warmed up.
Yes, we're going to do this like it's never been done before. This is a new beginning. All right, listen. Do you have a problem? Your friends come to you and say, hey man, you got too much flex. You're just flexing too hard.
If that's the case, you're in the right place.
Because nobody flexes as weird as we flex. And we gotta really, this is actually a good flex.
This is a good flex.
A flex of the good kind.
Yes.
S13 power brace system, as Nissan calls it. We just call it a power brace.
You better brace yourself.
They are discontinued.
Yeah.
And guess who bought all of them? From Nissan. That's right. The only dealer that has these power braces. And I checked, Russell. I know you're thinking, God, please don't say that. I checked. There's no other dealers that have these. If you look for these online because you want to shop around and get a good price, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
You might get dealerships that say, yeah, we got that. Call them up and say, hey, do you actually have this on the shelf? And they're going to say, no, there's a mistake. The website's wrong.
Put your fingers on
And you can say, you know what? Tom told me that you guys were going to say that.
Yeah.
Tom. Just say Tom. They know who you're going to be talking about.
Yeah.
Tom and Russell said.
And the price isn't bad on these.
No, I checked that too.
Yeah.
Because I'm a cheapskate, and I want to make sure that we're doing these at a good price.
Yeah.
We are cheaper than everybody, because I checked. There are a few on eBay if you want to get it shipped in from Australia or Japan.
Yeah.
Some of them offer free shipping, but that's rolled in the price. So we got the best price on these. If you can find it cheaper, buy it, right? And even if you don't have an S13, we've been doing this long enough now that when Nismo parts get discontinued, the prices.
Yeah. And the power brace, if you've been around the S-chassis world for any amount of time, you know that the power brace is a it's an important piece. And also it does add rigidity to the front end, and the tension rod brackets, if you have been under your car and done suspension work, your tension rod brackets are probably broken or getting to the point where they look like they might be broken.
Yeah, so get in there and look for cracks, right?
Yeah. They crack right on, pick that up here. They crack right here where the tension rod would come here and mount, there's a bolt, and then they crack right here. But yeah, so the brackets are discontinued. We used to, when I first started here, we used to sell just the brackets all the time. People would buy them, but you could buy this system cheaper than you could a pair of brackets. So it's an upgrade. And these are boxed in. They're built to be stronger. But yeah, great piece.
Yeah, reduces flex, improves stability, handling, and steering responsiveness.
Yeah. So yeah, we have a few of those. So
yeah,
be sure to get it if you want it. So yeah, that's our new thing now. We got rid of this is the best video ever, and now it's so yeah.
Well, that's his catchphrase. Mine is now. So anyways,
and that's how you do it. All right, so let's talk some Door Ajar switches now.
Yeah.
DJ had a little issue on his R32 with his Door Ajar switch on his, so it would be right-hand side, driver side on his vehicle. And he came to me and said, hey dude, I replaced this thing this weekend. It was super easy to do, and I videotaped the whole thing. And
that was nice of him.
Yeah, he was like, so, maybe you guys could use it in a video to show everybody how simple it is to replace, because they are very simple to replace. It took him 2 seconds to do it. But these, obviously, you could open the door and your interior lights won't turn on. It doesn't recognize the door is open. But also, it could think that the door is not closed, which is bad why.
Well, that's going to drain your battery.
Yeah.
Because I had the same thing happen on my daily.
Yeah, and if you live somewhere where you have to park and walk away from your car, you're probably not going to notice it out the window that your interior light's on.
Right.
Just beating that battery to death. But these come in different ways. Now, the right-hand side comes with the boot.
And that would be driver's side.
On a right-hand drive car.
Okay.
But these do fit a lot of U.S. cars too.
Oh,
so,
okay.
But this one comes with the boot, and then the left-hand side is the switch, and the boot's separate.
Which is weird because
I don't know.
The boots are identical, aren't they?
I would think that I don't understand it. But I guess the good part is you can replace the boot if you just need the boot.
Yeah.
Which is a good idea because you don't want moisture and dust. You want to keep these as, electrical pieces as dry as possible.
Clean as possible, yeah.
So, we've got some.
Anyway.
Got some new T-shirts. You guys might have seen the 300 ZXL.
Yeah.
But we had a couple T-shirts we just posted on the website. $23 shipped. Easy peasy. You want a cool T-shirt? Maybe you think it's cool. Maybe you don't. I don't know.
And these are shirts exclusive to us. You're not going to find these shirts anywhere. These are designed by Lesser Eron. But they're really cool shirts and they're unique. You're not going to find them anywhere else. Cool designs. Russell did an awesome job.
Yeah, there'll be some more coming. Had somebody ask if we were going to have some D21 shirts, and I was like, "There's no way we don't get some D21 shirts."
I know.
So we'll just hang in there. If you checked out our Wednesday video, we've got a bunch of these 2023 Hot Wheels. $50 order. Add it to the cart. We're gonna refund you for the Hot Wheels when we get the order. So it's a
Simple.
freebie.
Yeah.
Orders over $50. You gotta add it to the cart, and then we're gonna refund it back to you.
And that's $50 before shipping.
Yeah. New hats, beanies. Did you see these? Did you look at these?
I glanced, but these are super nice.
Yeah.
I splurged on my. Oh man, they're lined on the inside too.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we got some new beanies from the North Face, and these are super nice. These are not cheap by any means compared to our other beanies, but this thing is premium.
How much is this, Russell?
I think they're about $40.
Okay.
But it's a really nice beanie. It's a North Face beanie, so you're getting a top-notch product.
Yeah.
And then we got these 5 panels, these cotton 5 panels. I really like these. These are cool.
You've got one of those.
Yes. This is actually mine. I'm just not wearing it today. I brought it in here to show you guys. It smells like some dude that runs to work every day.
Yes.
What do you think?
Legos.
Do y'all want to know who won the Lego giveaway?
Yeah. Let's do this.
Let's do it. Jose Garcia. Wavy Ruffles.
Wavy Ruffles.
Christian Saldana and Robert Richards. We got 4 winners this week. You're getting a free Lego set. All you gotta do is reach out to Tom on the website, parts at nissanpartscc. Send you some Legos.
We will verify who you are, and we'll make sure we get these kits out to you swiftly. Congratulations, guys. That's a cool kit.
Yeah, really appreciate you guys participating in this, and we will have. I'm gonna do some more giveaways on Instagram with these, and there's probably gonna be some in the future on the YouTube channel too. We'll see.
Cool.
Now, 10% off code this week. There ain't one. So yeah.
Bummer. So anyways.
Friday, when you're watching this video, you can go to our website. Site-wide flash sale. It's gonna be our biggest sale ever. You have until Sunday morning to get your order in. No code needed. Just go to the website, add it to the cart.
The whole website is a flash
Everything.
sale.
Unless it,
Unless
then nothing. There's nothing.
Fine print.
It'll be everything.
Is there a percentage discount or it's
It'll kind of bounce up and down, but they'll see the discount because the website will show you list and then what the discount is. So, essentially we're gonna, it's.
we're not getting a paycheck?
I don't know how to explain. Yeah, we're not getting a paycheck.
Okay.
Yeah, I didn't want to say that.
So yeah, get on the website. Starts at 3 p.m. So if you're watching this video on a Friday,
6 if you're in South Carolina, 6 p.m.
Okay. And you'll save money. And who doesn't like to save money?
Yeah. So there won't be a 10% off code next week. We'll keep doing the flash sales. We're having a lot of fun doing these flash sales. You guys seem to really enjoy it. Yesterday, everybody went wild over the Nismo magnetic drain plugs.
Yes. Tons of those.
We're not ready. So definitely appreciate you guys who are swooping in on that stuff. It shows us that we need to keep doing it. We will.
Can I backtrack a little bit on this brace?
Let's do it.
So this is a fairly good sized piece. It's metal. It's not heavy, but it's considerable. I did check on shipping. If you're in Florida or New York, shipping is less than $100, right? If you're in California, about $65.
Okay.
And Texas, 85.
So, and you're still going to get it cheaper than you are from somebody in Australia on eBay.
Right.
So, win-win. And you're supporting your boys.
Are these going to be on the flash sale?
Sure.
Wow.
Yeah. We're not going to
there you go.
restrict anything. We're just going to...
This is an investment piece. Buy it. Hold on to it. You're going to make money 6 months, a year from now.
Yeah, this flash sale that we're going to run is almost like when you have a dog, for a little while and you start to trust that it's acting right and you're like, you know what, I'm going to let it off the leash.
And
it just takes off and gets in a fight with another dog, and next thing you know, you're getting sued. That's it.
That's when that wasn't my dog. I just found this leash lying here. All right, so enjoy the video. Leave a comment if you want to.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it for this
Have an
Friday
amazing
video.
weekend and an amazing shopping experience.
Yes.
Yeah. Just get that order in. Sometimes it's better to ask forgiveness and permission, right?
Yeah.
Just put it in. I didn't know.
Not gonna get yelled at.
Yeah. We're gonna high five you.
One.
See ya.
Bye.